AI killed Stack Overflow. Europe is angry with Elon Musk, and Nvidia announced their new AI chip platform.
What do you guys think?
This is EyeDecoded, and you're watching this week's AI recap. When Stack Overflow started, it had around 3,000 questions asked monthly. This number increased until it reached 200,000 questions per month. But the last couple of years, it started to decline rapidly. This was mainly because of the somewhat toxic community. I mean, as a user myself, I've been called an idiot more times by other Stack Overflow users than by my dad, which is quite a lot. But the final nail in the coffin was the launch of ChatGPT in 2022. Yes, every developer knows that ChatGPT makes a lot of mistakes with slightly complex questions. But for the easy ones, it's great. It doesn't call you an idiot, it doesn't tell you to just Google it, and it's always nice to you. So it isn't strange that Stack Overflow lost the battle to AI. For the past couple of weeks, there has been a lot of uproar around Grok, the large language model owned by Elon Musk. It's being used to remove clothes of people on the internet without their consent. In late December, a feature update made it possible for X users to reply under public photos asking Grok to generate certain images. Grok would then generate and post edited versions directly into the thread, a lot of times resulting in sexualized depictions without the consent of the person involved. Even worse, some prompts involved minors. Child protection organizations like the UK's Internet Watch Foundation confirmed discovering child sexual abuse material created by Grok. The EU wants to investigate how this could have happened, but I think it's pretty simple. If you give a monkey a loaded gun, he's going to use it, and this feature is definitely a loaded gun. At the Consumer Electronics Show of 2026, Nvidia announced their new AI platform and chip infrastructure. It will be 10 times more efficient to run and 4 times more efficient to train.
This is 10. And in the green is Blackwell. And here, in the case of Rubin, notice the throughput is so much higher, and therefore it only takes 1/4 as many of.
The platform is in full production, expected to be delivered by the partners in the second half of 2026. This comes at a great timing, since models like those powering Grok, ChatGPT, and Gemini are scaling massively. Training costs, both financial and energy related, are becoming extremely straining on our society. Some data centers already consume as much energy as a small country does, and we need more efficient chips now more than ever. Now, this also means that labs like OpenAI, Anthropic, xAI, Google, and Meta can train much larger models or run more experiments without it increasing costs, leading to smarter models. And maybe ChatGPT then will know how many R's there are in strawberry.